Now, zero knowledge proofs. As we mentioned earlier, zero knowledge proofs allow one party, who we call the prover, to convince another party, who we call the verifier, of the truth of a statement without revealing any information about the statement itself. The terms prover and verifier are commonly used in describing cryptographic proofs. The prover is the entity or program that creates the cryptographic proof, and the verifier is the entity or program that checks the proof's contents. The concept of zero knowledge proof was first mentioned in a 1989 academic paper titled "The Knowledge Complexity of Interactive Proof Systems." So this is not particularly a new concept. The paper defines zero knowledge proofs as those proofs that convey no additional knowledge other than the correctness of the proposition in question. If you are interested in reading the paper, I am providing a link and you can read the paper. Now, the usual example given for zero knowledge proofs is the Alibaba cave. In this example, there is a cave containing a loop that is interrupted by a locked door. The prover P aims to prove that they have the key to this door. Now, prover enters the cave and the verifier cannot see into the cave. Now, prover chooses one of the two paths to take and arrives at the locked door on the other side of the cave. Verifier cannot see which side of the cave the prover chose. Now, the verifier enters the cave and shouts to the prover that the prover should exit the cave from one of the two paths. The first time prover comes out of the correct side, there is only 50% chance that the prover exactly knows the key. But the challenge can be repeated to the verifier's satisfaction. If the challenge is repeated 100 times, there is negligible chance that the prover doesn't know the key and gets it right 100 times. We also understand a very important point about zero knowledge proofs here. That is, these proofs are probabilistic proofs. This means the prover can get it right a few times just by chance, but only when it gets it right a large number of times we can be sure that the prover knows the secret key